how to download BloxStrap. So if you want to download BloxStrap, then what you need to do is first open up your browser. Once you open up your browser, now you need to go and search for BloxStrap. Once you've searched, scroll down. You will have a link of GitHub. You need to click on it. Remember, this GitHub repository and BloxStrap.com are the only trusted sources to download BloxStrap safely. Once you're on the GitHub page, navigate to the releases section, which will be here on the right side. Just click on it and find the latest version, such as BloxStrap 2.7 or any other versions. In my case, it's version 2.10. Scroll down to download the exe file. After the file is downloaded, open it from your files to start the setup. But if you have not installed the desktop runtime, then first you need to install that and then select your language, continue, and you will have an option to customize settings before installing. After that, go with the download section, which is on the top right. As you can see that you will have the file right here. Go with full download history. Once it's downloaded, just double click on it. And as I've already told you that you need to install .net to run this application. So first you need to install that. So first you need to download .net 6.0 desktop runtime. And once you've downloaded, you can go with the file right here, double click on it, and it will start the installation process. That's how you can download BloxStrap. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.